Understanding night bus, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, night bus. We will delve into its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand how to use it in daily conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of the night bus. The phrase, night bus, is made up of two words, night and bus. Night refers to the time of the day after sunset and before sunrise. It is the opposite of day. Bus is a mode of transportation that carries a large number of passengers along a set route. When we combine these two words, night bus refers to a bus service that operates during the nighttime. These buses are particularly helpful for people who need to travel late at night when other forms of public transportation might be less frequent or unavailable. Night buses serve a crucial role in public transportation, especially in large cities. They provide a safe and affordable option for nighttime travel. This can be especially important for people working late shifts or odd hours, travelers catching early morning flights, nightlife enthusiasts returning home from clubs or bars, anyone in need of transportation during the nighttime. Now that we understand what a night bus is, let's look at some examples of how to use the phrase in sentences. 1. I missed the last train, so I had to take the night bus home. 2. The night buses in this city are very reliable, even in the early hours of the morning. 3. If you plan to stay out late, make sure to check the night bus schedule. In these examples, night bus is used to talk about the transportation option available during the night. And that wraps up our discussion on night bus. I hope this video has helped clarify what the phrase means and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Remember, night buses are a great transportation option for late-night travel. So, the next time you find yourself out late, you might consider catching a night bus. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.